During this video, I'm going to show you how you can get some free followers. Now, to do that, we're going to head over here to BestSMMProviders.com. Just like that, make sure you have the S here on the end, BestSMMProviders.com. Now, once we are on the website, what we're going to do is we are going to scroll all the way down to the footer, and then underneath the quick links, we can click on free followers. So let's go ahead and click on that. And that's going to bring us to this screen here. On the right-hand side, we can see that we currently have 9 credits. And once we have 10 credits, we can send ourselves free followers to either Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. I have 9 credits. Now, the way that we get credits is we simply have to read blog posts. So to do that, we are going to click on Start Reading Now on the left-hand side, and that's going to bring us to a random blog post. Now, as I start scrolling here, at the bottom, you're going to notice it says good speed, and it's green. And I have 15 seconds remaining where I need to scroll through here and read this. If I go too fast, it's going to turn red and say too fast. No one can read that fast, okay? And if I go too slow, it's going to stop and turn blue, just like it did there, because I'm not scrolling. So I need to make sure that I'm scrolling at a nice pace here until the timer hits 0 and then gives me my credit. And once it finishes, we can see it has finished, and I can click on Next Random Blog to do the exact same thing, okay? Now, I actually have 10 credits now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Send Free Followers Now, and that's going to redirect us back to that screen that we were on previously, where we can see that I now have 10 credits, so now I can send myself free followers. So I'm going to choose my platform, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. I'll go with Instagram for this example. Then I'm going to enter my username. And once I have my username entered, all I have to do is click on Send Followers Now. And at the top, we can see that we got the confirmation message that the follower request was successful. Then, once I do that, my 10 credits are going to be deducted, and I can go back and start reading again to start racking up 10 more credits to do the exact same thing. And that's one way that you can get free followers.